Welcome to Watches and Wonders 2025, the ultimate horology event for watch enthusiasts, collectors, and industry professionals from all around the world. Held in the city of Geneva, this prestigious event is where horology meets artistry and where tradition meets innovation, where the world's most esteemed watch brands unveil their latest novelties. For anyone passionate about fine timepieces, this is the event of the year. You don't just see watches here, you experience them. My journey at Watches and Wonders began with an unforgettable hands-on experience, an exclusive watchmaking workshop. Guided by expert watchmakers, we had a rare opportunity to disassemble and reassemble a mechanical movement.
Everything, when the movement is working, it will be an automatic dismantling. And we do everything. Components here in front of you. Now you take the crown and you turn the crown towards you, and when you start turning, it's moving. You have three components moving. Turn. Alors, keep the position. Yeah. You release your finger. You want to do?
To the right or to the left?
Left. Okay, you don't touch this one.
Okay.
And you don't touch the small one.
Yeah, okay.
How do you use a screwdriver? It's so complicated. I can clean finger. I think you have five. Yeah, I know.
After the workshop, it was time to switch gears into the culinary arts. We attended an incredible cooking masterclass led by Michelin-starred Chef Danny Khezzar. Every step of the process mirrored the same level of precision and passion seen in horology. And of course, the best part, we get to taste the best gourmet masterpieces created by the chef.
T'es amusé à faire un gratin dauphinois qui est électrique. C'est le blanc noisette qui est
Really nice, like unprompted coffee. It's really good, huh? It's a really huge fair. Just walking around to see the various new collections and releases by the various watch brands.
And that's always unique. So if you have a watch, they will be able to tell you who engraved your watch. Because everyone engraves it a little bit differently. And it's a floral pattern, taking the roots in.
rubber and gold.